I'm gonna go this one. These crybabies. Oh, these are also cute. These are the skull pandas. I would probably want the cherry or maybe strawberry.
No, you're not.
Hey, I got the strawberry. I really want the cherries. Really like the cherries. The cherries are really cute.
What did you do?
I think I want Blossom. Blossom or Bunny Blossom. Okay. Oh, I don't know. I'm literally on a winning streak right now. I'm getting everything. I can see it's pink through the thing. But Windflower, or I like Mist, which I'm too scared for this one.
Yeah.
I got that one.